the previous videos, I created a landing page and edited its form by adding some fields or controls to it. I'm happy with the content of the landing page, but I don't like the way it looks. So in this video, I want to show you how to design a skin for a landing page so that it projects the branding that you want. Right now I'm looking at the details of my form, so I need to go to the Actions menu and click Save and Return. This takes me back to the workflow view of my landing page. And in order to design a skin, I actually need to go to the Templates area of Act Marketing Automation. From here, I'll go to Actions and select New Template. Since this template is going to be a skin for one of my landing pages, I want to make sure I include that designation in its name. This will help me find it again later, so I'm going to name it Skin Monthly Newsletter Sign Up. Now for the type, it's not a marketing template, it's going to be a landing page template. And then for the default, I'm going to choose blank because I want to design this skin from scratch. Now I'll click the Create button. This is going to open a blank template, and I can begin by adding some structure, some rows, and content items to this template. Now I'm not going to cover template design again in this video because I've already covered that extensively in the templates section of the video library. So instead, I'm going to import a skin that I created previously. I'll go to my Actions menu and then choose Import My Templates. From the drop-down here, I'm going to choose Skin Generic Form to import the template that I created earlier. I'll click Import, and that skin will load up now in my designer. I'm going to quickly change this title text to say Monthly Newsletter Sign Up. I'll also add some instruction text here that says fill out this form to receive our newsletter each month. And now the most important thing is that we need to put a placeholder here so that the template knows where to insert the landing page form. To do this, I'm going to delete this line of text, and then while still using the text editor, I'm going to click the Merge Tags button and select Form. As you can see, a tag has now been added to this template. This is where the form will be inserted, and that's all we need to do. So I'm going to click the blue Save button. Next, we need to publish this skin so that the landing page can see it. If you skip this step, you'll never see this skin in the drop-down list on the landing page properties screen. So from the Actions menu, I'll click Publish, and then click the Publish button. Act Marketing Automation now confirms that this template has been published. So let's close this message and then go to the Actions menu and choose Return. Now let's add this skin to the landing page that we just created. We'll go back to the landing pages area, and then we'll open the monthly newsletter sign up landing page. Next, we'll go to the Actions menu and choose Edit Page Properties. Now we have to scroll down to the bottom and locate the Select Skin drop-down field. From it, I can now choose the new template that I just created. It's called Skin Monthly Newsletter Sign Up. I'm going to scroll to the top and save this now, but I also want to take a quick preview of our form before I release it to the public. So once again, I'll go to Actions and choose Edit Page Properties. Let's look at the page URL section of the Properties screen. I want to make this URL just a little bit more friendly, so I'm going to click the Change URL button. And instead of having this long string of random letters, I'm going to type in Monthly Newsletter Sign Up and click Save. Now let's click this link to see how our redesigned landing page looks. And there's our landing page complete with our custom skin. If everything looks okay, we'll close this window and then once again click the Save button. The workflow screen appears again, and our landing page is now ready for visitors to visit. In the next video, I want to show you how to add those visitors to a drip marketing campaign after they submit the form on our landing page.